The worst thing that you can do to yourself before buying a headphone is not knowing their sound quality. And that's why I have set up this $1,000 binaural microphone to exactly capture what 4 of these top headphones would sound like. Please wear a headphone or an earbud to make the most out of this video.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out on loan. Riders on the storm.